Hi guys, welcome back again to the channel. Today I'm going to show you simple step-by-step on how to update your Honda navigation for free. This free update also applies to the following models: Honda Clarity, Honda CR-V, Honda Fit, Honda E, Honda HR-V, Honda Jazz, and Honda Ridgeline. So for this map update, we just need the following: 16GB USB drive. Please note that using a smaller or larger flash drive can cause the map update to fail. So please just use 16GB only. And also we're going to need a computer. It's either Windows or Mac. It's going to be the same process anyway, regardless. And you have to be connected to a high-speed internet because the map download time varies on the speed of your internet connection. In order to format the USB drive, first you have to insert the USB into the computer. Then press Command and space together on the keyboard. Type disk utility on Spotlight. Then press Return. Click the parent icon of the USB drive. Then click Erase at the top of disk utility. Select MS-DOS FAT in the Format drop-down menu. Just rename the title, then click Erase. This step will format the drive to the readable by Honda navigation system. Click Done. After formatting the USB drive, take it to the vehicle. While the vehicle is off, plug the USB drive in any USB port. Turn on the vehicle and select the setting on the navigation home screen. Then you have to go to Settings, then go to Device, okay, then Update Map. Okay. Please make sure that you're going to see the information on your navigation system has been written to the external media. Then you can proceed. Remove the USB drive from your vehicle and take the USB drive back to your computer. Plug the USB drive into the computer. On the computer, you have to download the Garmin Express app. Go to garmin.com and download it. Open the Garmin app and follow the instructions. Select Add Device. Then if you want, you can enter a new nickname, then select Next. Select Install, then Accept, then Continue. Press OK. Safely remove the USB drive from the computer once the update process is completed, and take the USB drive back to your vehicle. The vehicle should be parked outside or in a well-ventilated area before getting started. Okay, I got the USB with me. Let's turn the engine on. Okay, and let's put this here. Select Settings on the navigation home screen. Then after that, select Device, select Update Map, and select Yes to continue. Okay, update is successful. And remove the USB. And then to verify the maps if it's successfully installed, go to navigation and then settings. Okay, and then maps, map and vehicle. Okay, and then let's go to my maps. Okay, there it is. It's updated. It says OEM North America NT 2022. Okay, and the date today is, just for you to see, it's 2022 June 27. Okay, and we have here updated for North America 2022. Okay, and that is all for today. And if you like this video, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Your support goes a long way. And thank you.